I'm Larry Anglisano at Aviation Consumer Magazine. Late model iPads have built-in GPS receivers, but they weren't designed for aviation, and that's why their performance is generally hit or miss inside of an aircraft cabin, particularly at altitude. Now that means for reliable navigation, you're going to want a remote GPS receiver, and that means yet another accessory to have to manage inside the cabin. Well, two new GPS receivers that I've been using make it easier to manage. It's Global Navigation's GNS 2000 and the Bad Elf Lightning. Now, both of these new receivers use GLONASS. That's the Russian satellite navigation constellation that consists of 24 satellites. That's the same number of satellites as the GPS constellation. Now, there are benefits to using receivers that operate on both GLONASS and WAAS GPS. That's because using GLONASS and GPS results in a 20-second faster lock-on compared to just WAAS GPS alone. There's also better positioning update rates. That's up to 10 times per second. The $130 GPS 1008 made by Bad Elf is made for plugging directly into the Lightning power port and works with current iPod Touch, iPhone, and iPad devices that have Lightning connectors. Now, there's one thing to consider with the Elf Lightning is that it gets its power from the iOS device rather than using a store charge. Now, that's going to create another burden load for the already battery life challenge iOS 7 operating system. Now, the German-made GNS 2000 sells for about $155 and is smaller and thinner than a pack of gum. It slides easily into a shirt pocket. It has a simple single on-off slide switch on the side of the case next to the mini USB socket for attaching the charger. A full charge is achieved within just a few hours, and endurance is well over 10 hours. It also has a position data logging feature with a 15-hour internal memory. If you use the GNS 2000 track application, you can transfer your data to Google Earth and look at it later on. Now, the 2000 is also compatible with Android devices as well as Apple iOS. Now, for a full report on the Elf Lightning and Global GNS 2000, you can read the February 2014 issue of Aviation Consumer Magazine. Reporting for Aviation Consumer, I'm Larry Anglisano. Thanks for watching.